Hi guys, it's David from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 4006P. It's a 2011 Chev 3/4 ton extended cab long box with a space cab topper. This truck has 209,000 K. Come from SaskTel, so they're really well maintained. Back seats never get sat in. The door panels are all in really nice shape. It does have some power options in here as well, which we'll get to on the other side. Nice wheel-to-wheel running boards on here. A ton of room on both sides of the space cap. Big enough to fit milk bins or anything like that in there as well. In the back of the chopper, there is a slide-out cargo bed. Goes all the way to the front window, as well as smaller conduit storage, anything like that you want to put at the bottom. There is a hitch down below, as well as a ladder rack up top. Ladders on both sides. A lot of room on the driver's side as well. And room for individual blue bins for parts or whatever there. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, integrated trailer brake, a flip-up center console for a 6-passenger, as well as a 6-speed automatic transmission in this 6-liter gas V8. Again, this is 4006, 2011 Chev 3/4 ton.